Hey guys!
How you doing?
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using friends quotes to help narrate my makeup routine and hopefully give me some much needed advice. Stay tuned. So we're going to be starting off with foundation. I first have to pick my shade considering that as these winter months are going, I'm just getting paler and paler. Which shade am I? Which shade am I?
Snow! A ghost!
I think I'm just going to use my all-time favorite foundation, Double Wear by Estee Lauder.
You Americans always butcher the French language.
Ooh. This definitely looks more like my summer shade. Actually, not even my summer shade. It's the If I Went to the Sun shade. So I think we're just gonna go with L'Oreal.
Oh my god.
Even if this foundation isn't the best match, you guys are probably used to everyone on YouTube not matching their skin tone. So I guess that means that I fit right in. Yay! I'm just gonna cover up some of the problems from my past life last week when I was busy popping pimples because, hey, everyone has their hobbies. This week, the motto is, I shall pop no more. Some people say that it's cute when some of your blemishes show through, you know, shows that you're not perfect. But I don't need this many blemishes showing through, so I'm just gonna try and do something with this. Okay. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty one. So the weirdest thing happened with this one. I used to love it, then I lost it, and now that I found it again, it's just not the same. It's like it's mad at me for losing it.
We were on a break!
Is it still mad, is the question. Yeah. I think it's forgiven me about the break. Or maybe that's just the Ross inside of me hoping. I always forget to put foundation on my nose. Does that happen to anyone else? Always. Like, I just turn it, I'm like, oh, okay, all that redness, I see you. I see you. Gone. Hopefully I look better on camera than what I look like right now. I thought ring lights were supposed to make you look better. I definitely look better without one and with all the other lights turned off as well. So I'm going to be setting everything with the Hourglass powder. I really don't know how I feel about this powder. Some days it's nice, but some days I kind of feel like it takes away the coverage of my foundation. Like when I really build up a critical area and then I put this on it and it's like, wow, I just spent 10 minutes covering that pimple and here it is. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer. It's the best one that I've used so far.
With us, it's never off the table.
Now I understand why some YouTubers are constantly complaining about being warm when they're filming. I don't know what it is about filming, but I am so hot right now. And I even remember to turn down the temperature on the thermostat. But at this point, the thermostat is just a decoration on the wall because it's still burning up in this house.
Here come the meat sweats.
I'm not quite sure where my blush is, and that's a problem. Oh, here it is.
Ah, salmon skin roll.
So I got this blush in my recent BoxyCharm. I think it's nice, natural.
And remember, if I am harsh with you, it is only because you're doing it wrong.
I was going to say the highlighter for the last step, but looking at my face, I definitely need to bring some life back into it. So hopefully Anastasia and Amorosi can help me out with that. This is the highlight that I've used for years now, and it's my favorite one ever. If there's one thing that Tati taught me, more is more. I always start off my makeup wanting it to be nice and natural, but then next thing you know, I'm 10 layers deep and there's no going back from that.
So far past the line that you can't even see the line. The line is a dot to you.
Moving on to the caterpillars. My brows are definitely the least favorite part of my routine. Some parts are thick, some parts are thin. Hopefully one day these caterpillars will transform into butterflies. That's my goal. Okay. I don't love it, but it is what it is.
Can't just give up. Is that what a dinosaur would do?
It's time for the eyes, but I still haven't decided on an eye look yet.
I don't even have a play.
But I think I'm just gonna start with the dose of colors and see where it takes me. So when people start to learn how to put on eyeshadows, they usually divide the lid into different sections just so it's easier to work with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today, Monica will be helping Monica. Monica with a C helps Monica with a K.
1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, a 3, a 5, a 3, 2, 2, a 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 4, 7, and 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7.
Oh, that was fast. So I never used this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Conceited, and I think today's a good day to try. Ooh, this looks like something that you need glitter glue for, but I'm not that big of a professional to have a glitter glue on hand. Hope that this doesn't ruin this beautiful art piece. Just gonna blend, blend, blend. This is an eye look you guys have never seen before. Neutral with glitter. Call me Einstein. So I never really wear eyeliner, mainly because I'm not good at it, but today I'm just gonna try and wing it.
Pivot! Pivot! Pivot!
Wow. Have you ever seen a more beautiful wing? No. So, for people that want to make their hooded eyes look more hooded, follow this technique. But there really is no technique. Now, how do I make them look equally as bad, is the question. Okay, they're not even. My body isn't even, like my life isn't even, it's okay.
Fine. Okay, I'm great.
Last step, lipstick. So we're going to be using Pat McGrath in Realness. Best friend got me this one. Does this lip go with this look? Hopefully on camera. Now looking into the mirror, I probably should have put some foundation on my neck to make this match, but hey. Last step is a quick prayer that Morphe setting spray will make all of this look more natural. Whew. So this is the final result. Definitely not the best result I've ever gotten, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you even remotely enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. So my hair needs to somehow cover up this horrible eyeliner. Perfect.